Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Dubai police clearance certificate online in just 5 minutes. Go to Google, type Dubai police clearance certificate, and then tap the first result. On the Dubai police website, tap access service. So this certificate proves good conduct in the UAE and can be used for work, study, immigration, marriage, or getting a license. It's valid for 1 month from the issue date. So here are the fees. 100 AED is for citizens, 200 AED is for UAE residents, and 300 are AED outside UAE. So plus 20 AED knowledge and innovation fee. So typing centers add 100 AED, so online is cheaper. So here are the things that you need to prepare. We need a personal photo to prepare, passport copy, and resident visa copy. So tap apply, choose your category, enter your Emirates ID, pick your purpose, sector, and language, then select the entity if needed. Enter and then confirm your email, accept the terms, and verify. Confirm your mobile number, enter the OTP, then pay. So for residents, the total is 2020 AED. Choose a payment method like card, net banking, or Apple Pay, and then enter your details and then complete the payment. Your certificate will be emailed to you. So I think this is all for everything. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.